Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Stuff About tutorial. In this tutorial we will learn how to archive job on Indeed. Guys, first of all you have to go on your profile icon, then you have to go on my jobs. In my jobs, here in applied, all the jobs will be show over here where you applied for. So if you want to keep, hide or archive your job, then how will you do? Just simply you have to go on that job, and here you will see on this button, you have to click on it, then the new window will be open on the screen, and then you have to go with archive. Just simply click on archive, then your job will be archived. So guys, this is how to archive job on Indeed. Hope you like this video. Thank you so much. Good luck.